Hey everyone, sorry I have not made a video in the past 3 weeks or to a month. I'm sorry. Uh, don't know if anybody's wondering about updates, but as you can see, the engine bay is still empty. However, I have been extremely busy and the engine is done. Should be dropping it in hopefully next weekend. Mostly new internals except for the crank. Crank was fine, but got a new comp cam with a new timing set, lifters, springs, 240H grind. So pretty close to stock. Might have a little bit of a lope, I'm hoping. But new balancer, all new bearings, all cam bearings, main bearings, rod bearings, new piston rings. The intake and exhaust manifolds are original, just repainted. So new water pump, aluminum. And hopefully, like I said, be dropping in next week. So gotta clean up the transmission yet and set the clutch and everything like that before we can drop it in. But other than that, she's ready to go. So I'll include a slideshow at the end of the video so you guys can at least see the progress of it. Sorry I didn't make any updated videos, but you know, like I said, I was too busy working. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video this week, and we'll take it easy. Thanks.